In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Genshin Impact stuck at loading screen. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you easy steps that you can follow to fix any issues attributed to Genshin Impact stuck on the loading screen or crashing when you get past it. So if you are getting any issues similar to this, first, what I would recommend is that you right-click the Windows icon and you go over to the Device Manager. A lot of these issues happen because of incompatible graphics drivers, either because they are outdated or they have some sort of problem in a specific unstable version. So to check to see if your graphic drivers are up to date, just go over to the device manager like I said, right click the Windows icon, select it here, and then under display adapters you will be able to find which graphics card your computer has. If your computer does not have a dedicated GPU or graphics card, this should say something like Intel Integrated Graphics instead or anything similar. If you have some integrated graphics here, I recommend that you right-click this and you go over to Update Driver. Windows will automatically look for the appropriate drivers. Keep in mind that if you don't have a dedicated GPU, that could also be the cause of you not being able to run the game. Older hardware simply is not capable of running Genshin Impact, and sometimes if you do not have a dedicated graphics card, that is going to be enough for the game to simply not work. If you have something like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel Arc, then follow these steps. If you have NVIDIA GeForce RTX or GTX, just go over to the NVIDIA website at nvidia.com or look for NVIDIA download drivers on Google. Click this option here at the top of the screen and then you will be able to select the appropriate drivers. So for example, if you went over here and it said NVIDIA GeForce GTX, just select GeForce, choose the GTX series appropriately here, and then you will be able to download the drivers. If you have something like RTX, just select that, which should be the modern cards. Now, once you download the drivers, just run the executable and install them. This process is going to be the same if you have AMD or Intel Arc. You just have to go over to their websites instead. So for example, for AMD, you have to visit this website, choose the drivers from this list, and download them as you would with NVIDIA. The same thing for Arc. Go over to intel.com, find the drivers, and download them here. Now, once you are done with this process, try running Genshin Impact. If it still doesn't work, the next thing that I would recommend is that you completely reinstall the game. I know that for a lot of people, this is going to take a while, and it isn't the most convenient thing to do, but reinstalling the game fresh is one of the simplest and most efficient ways to fix any issues attributed to it crashing or not launching. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Genshin Impact stuck at loading screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.